Want to upgrade your Android experience in 2026? Today, we are counting down the top 5 best Android apps to try in July. From powerful AI tools and customization apps to cleaners and security solutions, let's check them out. Coming in at number 5 is Bitwarden Password Manager. With an impressive 4.8 star rating, over 150k reviews, and more than 5 million installs, it's one of the most trusted password managers out there. So, what does Bitwarden actually do? It keeps all your passwords in one secure place, so you don't have to remember dozens of different logins. The app can also create strong, unique passwords for every account, helping protect you from data breaches. One of the best things about Bitwarden is that you can access your passwords anywhere, on your phone, computer, or browser, and everything stays synced. It also supports passkeys, which means you can enjoy a faster and more secure way to sign in without relying only on traditional passwords. Privacy is a huge reason why people love Bitwarden. It offers a free version with no annoying ads and doesn't sell your personal data. With features like end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, password sharing, and a built-in password generator, it gives you powerful protection without making security complicated. At number 4, we have Seeki, AI Search and Assistant, an all-in-one GPI app designed to make your daily tasks smarter and faster. With a 4-star rating, over 859,000 reviews, and more than 50 million installs, Seeki is becoming a popular choice for people who want an easier way to access information. Instead of wasting time scrolling through endless results, Seeki uses AI-powered search to understand what you actually need and deliver more relevant answers quickly. It also keeps you updated with trending news from around the world while letting you customize topics based on your interests. For students and professionals, Seeki comes with smart learning tools, voice notes, and automatic summaries. You can record classes or meetings, and the AI helps turn conversations into organized notes. Need help with homework? Just take a picture of a problem and Seeki can guide you with step-by-step explanations. But it's not just for searching. You can create reports, write emails, generate social media content, enhance images, remove backgrounds, translate languages, and even identify objects using your camera. Whether you're studying, working, creating content, or just exploring new information, Seeki puts powerful AI tools in one simple app. Next, number 3, we have Nova Launcher Home Screen, one of the most popular customization apps on Android. With a 4.3-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million installs, it's trusted by millions of users worldwide. Nova Launcher replaces your default home screen with a faster, cleaner, and fully customizable setup. You can change icon styles, apply thousands of icon packs, adjust layouts, resize widgets, and create a home screen that matches your personal style. It also supports beautiful light and dark themes, custom colors, and advanced search features that help you quickly find apps, contacts, and even useful information like calculations or conversions. One of the best parts is the precise control. With subgrid positioning, you can place icons and widgets exactly where you want, giving your phone a professional look. Whether you want a minimalist setup, a gaming-style interface, or just a faster phone experience, Nova Launcher gives you the tools to make Android feel truly yours. Plus, backup and restore features make it easy to move your custom setup to a new device. Number 2, meet C Cleaner, Phone Cleaner. With a 4.2-star rating, over 100 million downloads, and 2 million reviews, it's one of the most trusted Android cleaning tools. So, what makes CCleaner special? Instead of manually searching for useless files, CCleaner scans your phone and helps remove junk, leftover data, old downloads, and unnecessary files that take up your storage. It also comes with a powerful app manager that shows which apps are using too much data, draining your battery, or simply taking space without being useful. Feature highlight. The photo cleaning feature is another useful tool. It can find duplicate, blurry, dark, or low-quality photos, helping you clean your gallery and save extra space. You can also monitor your phone's performance by checking RAM usage, CPU activity, battery level, and temperature. The biggest advantage is simplicity. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can clean and optimize your Android in just a few taps. At number 1, we have CapCut Photo and Video Editor, one of the most popular video editing apps with a 4.3-star rating, over 12 million reviews, and more than 1 billion installs worldwide. CapCut is an all-in-one editor that makes professional-looking videos possible, even if you're a beginner. You can quickly trim clips, combine videos, add smooth transitions, adjust speed, and create cinematic effects in just a few taps. But what makes CapCut stand out are its advanced tools. You get keyframe animation, smooth slow motion, background removal, chroma key, and video stabilization to make your content look more polished. Need captions? CapCut's auto caption feature can generate subtitles automatically. You can also use text to speech, motion tracking, stylish fonts, stickers, and thousands of trending effects to give your videos a unique style. Whether you're a content creator, social media user, or someone who just wants better memories, CapCut makes editing fast, simple, and fun. Plus, it supports high-quality exports, including 4K video, so your content can look sharp on any platform. And that's our list of the top 5 Android apps to try in July 2026. Which app is your favorite? Let us know and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech updates.